Meet the Ilika Automation Face Mask Maker machine. Plug in the power. You can use any fruits or vegetables of your choice. First, add 60 milliliters of clean water into the machine. Now add 20 milliliters of fresh fruits or vegetables of your choice. With our mask maker machine, we also provide collagen tablets. Add 1 capsule to get the perfect mask texture. Wait for a few minutes. Press and hold to power on. Press the button and the collagen mask will come out. See the perfect thickness of the mask texture. It turns into a perfect gel form. Apply it on your face and wait for 30 to 40 minutes. The machine cleaning process is very easy. First add clean water. Then clean it properly with a brush